So Anthropic just released this new thing for Claude, and it's actually pretty interesting. Basically, it turns Claude from a chatbot into something that can do real work for your business. Like chasing late invoices, closing your books at the end of the month, writing offer letters when you're hiring someone. It's completely free if you've already got Claude. But it's also got some problems that nobody's really talking about. So let me walk you through it. Alright, so the thing is called Claude for Small Business. It's not a separate app you download, it's more like an add-on that lives inside Claude. You install it with one click, and now Claude can connect to the apps you already use to run your business. Your accounting software, your CRM, your email, that kind of thing. And the way it works is Claude can go into those apps, pull your data, do the work, and then it shows you what it did before anything actually goes out. So if it drafts an email to a customer, it doesn't send it. You read it, you approve it, then it sends. Nothing happens behind your back. There's two parts to it. The first part is the apps it connects to. There's 12 of them. The big ones, QuickBooks if you do your accounting there, PayPal and Stripe for payments, HubSpot if that's your CRM, Canva for design work, plus Gmail, Google Calendar, and Microsoft 365 for the basic email and calendar stuff. The second part is the actual workflows. There's 31 of them. They cover pretty much everything a small business owner spends time on. Money stuff, checking your cash flow, doing your month-end close, planning payroll, chasing people who owe you money, getting ready for tax season. Sales stuff, figuring out which leads to call today, cleaning up your CRM when it gets messy. Customer stuff, handling complaints, processing refunds. Marketing stuff, generating Canva designs based on what's actually selling, running full marketing campaigns from start to finish. And then hiring and legal. It'll write a whole job post for you, including the interview questions and the offer letter. It can also read through contracts and flag the parts that look sketchy. Okay, here's where I want to be honest with you, because every video I've seen on this is just hyping it up. First thing, it only works with those 12 apps I mentioned. So if you're running a Shopify store, or you use Xero for accounting instead of QuickBooks, or you're in restaurants and you use Toast, none of this works for you. Claude can still help you with basic stuff like drafting emails, but the part where it goes and does work for you, that only happens inside those 12 apps. Second thing, if you sell physical products and you need real inventory tracking, this won't do that. You still need a proper inventory system. Third thing, if you've got a big team, like 50 people all trying to use this at once, you're going to hit Claude's usage limits really fast. And the last thing, you're kind of betting on Anthropic to keep caring about small businesses. If they decide to focus somewhere else in 2 years, you've built your whole back office on something that might stop getting better. The add-on itself is free. You don't pay extra for it. What you do need is a paid Claude account. The cheapest one is $20 a month. That gets you access to everything we just talked about. Now the apps it connects to, QuickBooks, HubSpot, Canva, all that, those cost money. But here's the thing, if you're already running a small business, you're probably already paying for most of them anyway. So the only new bill you're adding is Claude itself. Here's how I'd think about it. Install it if you're a small team, let's say under 20 people. You're already using at least 2 of those connected apps. And you're losing real hours every week to admin work like chasing payments or writing the same emails over and over. Skip it if you're all in on Microsoft Copilot already, and switching to a different window for AI is a hassle. Skip it if you're in healthcare or law where you've got rules about AI touching customer data. And honestly, skip it if you're not going to actually read what it drafts before approving, because that approval step is the whole reason it's safe to use. And if you're somewhere in the middle, you only use one of the apps, you're new to AI, your real problems are in tools that aren't connected yet, just wait. Anthropic said they're adding more apps. Give it a few months. You're not missing anything. If you decide to try it, here's how. Go to claude.com/download and grab Claude Cowork. That's the desktop app version of Claude, different from the website version you might already use. Open it up, look on the left side, click Customize, then Browse Plugins. Search for Small Business. Hit Install. Then you connect your apps one by one. Each one takes maybe a minute. You don't have to connect all 12. Just connect what you actually use. For your first workflow, try the SMB onboard one. It'll walk you through everything, and you'll see right away whether this is useful for your business. Look, this is the most realistic AI for business thing I've seen so far. It's not going to run your business for you. It's not replacing your accountant or your lawyer, and it can't reach tools outside its list. But if you're a small team that's drowning in admin and you're already using the right apps, it'll take hours of work off your plate every week without taking control away from you. If you want me to do a deep dive on any specific workflow, tell me which one in the comments, and I'll make that next.